Breaking news just coming in. Sources have informed India Today that few MLAs who are Sachin Pilot supporters have reached Delhi. Sources have also revealed that Pilot angry with Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot after the COP notice. That's the latest coming in right there. The big story is about 12 Congress MLAs from the Sachin Pilot faction reaching Delhi. It is source-based information that is coming in at the moment. Dev Ankur joins us on the phone line. Dev, if you could walk our viewers through the latest developments coming in. Rajasthan political crisis is the top political story that we're tracking at the moment. We do know sources have also said two more Congress MLAs have gone incommunicado as well. And even Sachin Pilot, many of our colleagues have tried to get in touch with him as well. His phone is unreachable. What really is going on, Dev?
Well, everyone what needs to understand is that Pilot camp has been miffed for some time now. But why all of these developments are happening in Rajasthan politics? To put that in perspective, a cabinet expansion in Rajasthan is round the corner. And the Pilot camp wants to have a certain amount of say in that. Gehlot, on the other hand, wants not just the hold on the government, but on the party as well. And that is why the PCC, the next PCC president, Gehlot, wants his own man to be placed out there. He does not want Pilot, who has had the longest tenure as the PCC president in Rajasthan so far. He wants him to be removed. He knows that Pilot so far has not played along. He has really been a thorn in his skin, so to say. And in Rajasthan politics, the rift between Pilot and Gehlot has been the worst kept secret. And that is why Pilot has been trying to play the hardball. My assessment right now is that he's not too willing to move to BJP, but he wants to convince the Congress High Command in Delhi that there are several MLAs. It is not just him. It is not just one man against Gehlot. It is a case of several MLAs not being happy with the way Gehlot has been managing the government out here. And that is why he's trying to convince the Congress High Command, which includes Sonia Gandhi and Rahul Gandhi, that he needs to have more of say. The difference, Katie, between Madhya Pradesh and Rajasthan is that Pilot has had some amount of, in terms of, he has been the Deputy Chief Minister. Apart from that, he has also been the party president. So it is not clearly as much of neglect that Jyotiraditya Scindia faced in Madhya Pradesh. But even then, as Rajdeep was pointing out, Pilot clearly feels that he was the one who was at the helm of affairs during the last 5 years when Vasundhara Raje was in the reign, and that is why he feels that he should be given the reign. And with almost 3 years remaining in Rajasthan government, he believes that this is the time when the Congress can look at a change of leadership. When the Rajya Sabha elections were happening in Rajasthan, Pilot time and again mentioned that the Congress will not break away, it will not wither away, and it will be able to win both the seats in Rajasthan.
Yes.
And that is what it did.
Yes, and as Rajdeep also mentioned, but that, the numbers are really not on Pilot's side. So toppling the government is not going to be very easy, and this is going to be a long-drawn battle between Ashok Gehlot and Sachin Pilot as well. It's not as easy as it seems because the BJP is not willing to accept him as the chief ministerial face in case the government is successfully toppled, in case they get the numbers on their side as well. So it's going to be a long-drawn process right there. In fact, let's get in a reaction from the BJP, what BJP has to say on the Congress infighting.